10 techniques that turn fights into love. Isn't it strange how two people can share the same house, the same bed, even the same dreams, and yet still end up fighting? Here's the real question. What if the very fights that seem to push you apart could actually pull you closer? Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful techniques that can turn conflict into connection and transform arguments into deeper love. Stay with me, because the last technique may completely change the way you handle disagreements forever. 1. The sleep and let's talk tomorrow technique. Sometimes, the best medicine for a heated argument is not more words, but rest. Sleeping allows emotions to reset. When you wake up, your heart is calmer, your mind is clearer, and suddenly what felt heavy last night looks lighter in the morning. 2. The hug and talk technique. Ever tried apologizing with your arms? A warm hug, followed by gentle words, can melt even the coldest silence. It tells your partner, I choose love over pride. And pride has never fixed a marriage. But love always has. 3. The surprise letter technique. In our digital world, a handwritten letter feels like treasure. Writing down your feelings, the apology, the reassurance, the love, allows your spouse to read, reread, and truly feel your sincerity. Sometimes ink heals more than words spoken in anger. And 4. The let's talk technique. Instead of attacking in the heat of the moment, invite your partner to talk at a chosen time. Saying, "Can we talk later tonight?" gives both of you space to prepare, reflect, and focus. It turns conflict into a conversation, not a battlefield. 5. The after lovemaking technique. Strange as it sounds, intimacy can be the reset button couples forget to use. After making love, hearts are softer, walls are lower, and suddenly conversations flow with tenderness instead of tension. Sometimes passion opens doors that arguments slam shut. 6. The chat technique. Not everyone can handle face-to-face confrontations. Some people communicate better through messages, where words can be chosen carefully. A thoughtful text may express what your shaky voice could not. And that's okay. Love is not about the method, it's about the message. 7. The child messenger technique. This one is delicate, but beautiful. Using your child to send a loving word to your spouse can soften even the hardest heart. A child's innocent voice saying, "Mommy, Daddy still loves you," has a way of melting walls faster than any adult can. 8. The date technique. Remember why you fell in love? Sometimes you need to step out of the house, away from the arguments, and remind each other of that first spark. A simple dinner date, a walk in the park, or even ice cream together can turn anger into laughter again. The gift technique. A thoughtful gift is not about money, it's about meaning. Whether it's flowers, a favorite snack, or something symbolic, gifts say, "I value you more than this fight." And sometimes that's all your spouse needs to hear. 10. The walk away and calm down technique. Sometimes silence saves what words could destroy. Walking away for a moment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care enough not to say something you'll regret. Coming back with a calm spirit often leads to a breakthrough conversation. Now, here's the truth. No marriage survives without disagreements, but happy couples are not those who never fight. They are those who learn to fight in ways that protect love, not destroy it. Patience, trust, and love, these are the foundations. And when you combine them with these 10 techniques, even the stormiest arguments can turn into stepping stones toward a stronger, healthier relationship. So let me ask you, which of these techniques will you try the next time love and conflict collide? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs hope in their relationship. Because at the end of the day, fights don't have to break love. They can actually make it stronger.